Hi everyone, welcome once again to the Android Ken channel, and today we are looking at this. As you can see from the packaging, this is the Realme 9i. This is the latest Realme smartphone in the Kenyan market. This is from the Realme 9 series. If you check across the channel, you'll see that we've done previously unboxings on the Realme 6 series and also devices from the Realme 7 series. So this is the 9i. This is what you can get from the Realme brand in Kenya for the next few weeks, maybe months. That is until we also get to see other members of the Realme 9 series, which we've been told are also making their way. So let's cut this open and see what you get if you are to go with this device. So here we go. Hey, welcome to the Realme family, and let's embrace a new journey. Let's see what they are giving you in this new journey they're asking you to embrace. So first things first, here is the pin for ejecting the SIM tray, and here's a quick guide, and here's a safety guide, so that documentation can stay aside. Here's a nice looking plastic clear case for the device, and here is the device itself. So we are coming back to this in a few. Here is the charging brick. So this is what will give you 33 watt fast charging, and here is the cable that will allow you to do that. As expected, obviously this is a Type-C cable. So we'll have all of these there, and we come back to the main thing, that is the device itself. Now this device comes in what Realme is calling a stereo prism design, whatever that means, but I'm not sure if you can see this from the camera, and maybe we hope we can be able to get it in the product shots we're going to take after this. There are some receding lines in this very glossy back cover plate, and then on the front up there we have that 16 megapixel front facing camera, and the back here we have a triple camera setup. You can see 1, 2, 3 sensors, and of course the flash. Now the headlining sensor is the 50 megapixel shooter, which is the primary camera, and then it's backed by a duo of 2 megapixel sensors, black and white one and a macro one. Down here your USB Type-C port where that cable goes. We are getting a 3.5mm headphone jack, thank God, and of course we have some speakers set up there, and here's where your earpiece goes. And this is a 6.6 inch full HD panel with a fast refresh rate of 90 Hz, no 120 here. Yeah, pretty much it comes in two colors. There is a prism blue and a prism black, if I'm not wrong. This is the prism black. So that's all you need to know about the Realme 9i right now. This device, the pricing starts at 22,000 shillings. That is for the 4GB RAM variant with 64GB onboard storage. If you get the 6GB RAM with 128GB internal storage, that will be 23,000 shillings. One thing we haven't shown you is the interface. This comes with the Realme UI 2.0. So let's boot it up and see what that is all about. Of course, that's under Android 11, so there should be 12 on the way for this device, or so we can expect. So here we are. This here is Realme UI 2.0. This is how it looks. Yeah, let's go to the settings and see what the display settings look like by default. More. Our refresh rate is set to auto. You can pin it to be at the higher refresh rate. Of course, there's a warning there. It uses more battery power and all of those, and also the bit where this is still limited to only certain apps. That should be pretty much it regarding this device. Yes, here is where the magic as far as that 50 megapixel rear camera goes. This is where it is, and yeah, the 50 megapixel option is off. You need to turn it on to be able to use that particular bit. There's Google Lens. That's it about the Realme 9i in a nutshell. We'll be sharing more about the device on the blog. Please subscribe to the channel for more unboxing videos like this one, and do remember to visit the blog for more details on the Realme 9i and also many other devices that are launching in the Kenyan market. See you next time.